How do AI agents improve first call resolution and reduce handle time? For Banco Itaú, the answer started with simplifying a system that required up to 70 pages to resolve a single request. Itaú is the largest private bank in Brazil, supporting millions of customers and operating large-scale contact centers. Managing this volume requires efficient systems and consistent customer experience. This is where AI-powered CX automation becomes critical. Before transformation, agents relied on multiple disconnected tools. Resolving customer issues required navigating dozens of systems and documents. This increased handle time and reduced efficiency. The system lacked orchestration across the customer journey. Itaú needed a more integrated and scalable approach. The goal was to create an AI-native customer experience that could manage interactions end-to-end. This is a core principle of enterprise agentic AI. Itaú implemented NiCE CXone as its agentic AI platform. Agents now work in a unified interface with all relevant information in one place. When a chatbot hands off to a human agent, the system provides an automatic summary of the interaction. This is an example of AI agents for contact centers supporting real-time decision-making. Traditional systems require agents to search and interpret information manually. Agentic AI systems coordinate across tools and guide the interaction. Compared to chatbots, these systems do more than respond. They help resolve issues. The results show the impact of AI-driven customer journey orchestration. Average handle time decreased by 15%. Customer interactions dropped by 13% through better automation and self-service. First call resolution improved. This is how organizations reduce contact center costs with AI agents. Itaú is expanding its use of AI across the contact center. The goal is to scale customer service without increasing headcount. This is the direction of multi-agent AI systems in customer experience. Itaú's transformation shows how agentic AI in customer experience simplifies operations and improves outcomes. By using NiCE CXone, they are building a more efficient and scalable system for customer service.